In this video, we are going to unbox the OBSBOT Tiny AI-powered PTZ webcam. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where we review smart home product devices and discuss family tech that can help make our lives a little bit easier. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you will be on top of any uploads that I will be doing in the future. And at any time during the video, if you want to check out the show notes, it's down there in the description box below. Also, if you want to support this channel, I am very grateful. My affiliate links can be found there as well for this product as well as for the other products that I am using. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this OBSBOT Tiny AI-powered PTZ webcam. I got this from the Kickstarter. So this is the Kickstarter version. So I pledged, I forgot how much, but I pledged for this thing because I actually purchased or pledged the OBSBOT, like the actual big brother of this thing, and I'll show you that, compare them later, because this one looks like it's tiny, it says. Open this thing. Oh, there we go. It is actually tiny. Check that out. It is tiny. Ah, teeny tiny, but it is. It's cute. Okay, let's remove this thing. So this is the OBSBOT Tiny. Okay, and apparently has a few things like so it is AI tracking, it can track you. It has gesture control just like the big brother, 1080p full HD and 2-axis gimbal. Now the big brother is actually 4K. And the one thing that I think I like about this is this one has an actual mic built into it. The big brother doesn't. You actually have to put an external mic there. So what else do we have in here? So just some documentations. Okay, I'll leave it there. Documentations. What's in this bag? No, what's not the bag? Box. Let's check it out. So we have 3 items here. This is, oh, okay, so this is, I guess, the magnet. Oh yeah, and then you just put this on your computer or wherever you want to put it, in your monitor, connect it. Is it? Yeah, it holds. Okay, it holds. What is this? This is the USB-C. All right, so it is a USB-C. So, right, so there, that's the USB-C, and it has the DC 5 volts as well. DC 5 volts right there. And I'm assuming this is the DC 5 volts. Yes. So does that mean that you have to connect this first, or is it USB powered? I don't know. OBSBOT Tiny doesn't say anything really. Data power cable. Oh, okay, maybe you don't need. Well, we'll find out anyway. After using this, what else do we have here? That's pretty much it. That's what's inside the OBSBOT Tiny AI-powered PTZ webcam. And I told you earlier that I'm gonna show you the brother. I'm gonna show you the brother. So this is the webcam. This is the brother. I'm actually using it right now to do some B-rolls. See? This is the OBSBOT. This is the OBSBOT Tiny. OBSBOT, OBSBOT Tiny. OBSBOT, meet your little brother, OBSBOT Tiny. Big brother! There you go. So tiny, big. Tiny, big. So I'm going to use this for some projects that I will be doing. I'll be doing a podcasting and some other things on my Facebook page. So I think this would be a cool cool little gadget. I'll also be doing some live streaming as well. So maybe I can do a little bit of I can do a review after a month's use or so. All right, beautiful people, thank you for sticking with me till the end. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I do appreciate if you guys will share this to your socials as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and as always, I will see you in my next one. Bye.